Being a student isn't easy. You've got classes, assignments, and exams. But what if I told you that you could also build a side income while studying, using just your laptop or even your phone? In today's video, I'm going to share some of the smartest and most practical money-earning tricks for students. These aren't just quick hacks, they are opportunities that can grow into long-term sources of income. And the first one on our list is something most students don't even think about, but it could literally turn you into a business owner. 1. Start your own hosting business. Best option for students. Let's start with the most powerful method, becoming a hosting reseller or starting your own white label hosting business. Here's how it works. Normally, web hosting requires massive infrastructure, servers, security, customer support, the works. But with a reseller program, you don't need to worry about any of that. You basically rent hosting space from a provider and then sell it under your own brand at your own price. This means, as a student, you can literally run your own web hosting company from your dorm room or even your home. You can create packages, design your own website, and start getting clients. The best part? It's recurring income. Once someone buys hosting from you, they usually stay for months or even years, and you keep earning. Now, this is where Verpex comes in. Verpex offers one of the best reseller hosting programs out there. They handle the technical side, like uptime, security, backups, and support, while you focus on building your brand and managing your customers. Imagine telling people you own a hosting company while you're still in college. That's a huge advantage. And the income potential? If you scale it properly, it can easily cover your tuition, living expenses, and even grow beyond that. 2. Affiliate marketing. The second option is affiliate marketing, one of the most popular online income streams. It's simple. You recommend a product or service, and whenever someone buys it using your link, you earn a commission. As a student, this is one of the easiest ways to start making money without any upfront investment. All you need is either a social media page, a blog, or even just a WhatsApp group where you share links. Now, one of the best niches in affiliate marketing is hosting and domains. Why? Because almost everyone starting a business or a project online needs a website. With Verpex, you can join their affiliate program and recommend their hosting or domain services to others. Think about it. Students in your network who want to start blogs, small businesses moving online, or even freelancers needing portfolios. Every time they buy using your link, you get paid. And since hosting renews every year, this can also become recurring income 3. Blogging. Another great way to earn money as a student is blogging. If you love writing, sharing knowledge, or even creating guides and tutorials, blogging can be perfect for you. Here's the process. First, you set up your own blog. Then you start writing articles about topics you're passionate about. This could be tech, education, health, or even student life hacks. Once your blog starts getting visitors, you can monetize it through Google AdSense, affiliate links, or even brand sponsorships. Now, to start blogging, you need 2 things: a domain and hosting. The cool part is, when you sign up for hosting with Verpex, they give you a free domain for 1 year. That means you don't have to spend extra money buying a domain separately. You can launch your blog professionally with your own .com or .net name, which gives you credibility right from day one. Over time, blogging can become a strong passive income source, especially if your posts rank on Google for. Dropshipping. Next up is dropshipping. This is one of the most popular online businesses today. With dropshipping, you sell products online, but you don't keep any inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order, the supplier ships it directly to them. As a student, this means you don't need to spend thousands on stock. You just need to set up a store, find winning products, and focus on marketing. Platforms like Shopify make this easy. And again, having good hosting for your store is crucial if you want your site to load fast and handle customers. Hosting from providers like Verpex can help here as well. 5. YouTubing. YouTube is another great option. If you enjoy creating content, whether it's tutorials, lifestyle videos, or even gaming, YouTube can help you grow an audience and monetize through ads and sponsorships. The beauty of YouTube is that your content can keep earning for years. A video you make today might still be generating income a year later. 6. Selling digital products. Digital products are perfect for students because you only create them once and sell them repeatedly. These could be ebooks, online courses, design templates, or even coding scripts. Unlike physical products, you don't need to worry about shipping or inventory. With a good website and hosting, you can start selling globally. 7. Freelancing. Freelancing is probably the most straightforward option for students. If you have skills like writing, design, coding, or video editing, you can find clients on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Even if you don't have skills yet, you can learn them for free on YouTube and start small. Over time, freelancing can grow into a full-time career. 8. Print on demand. Finally, print on demand. This works similar to dropshipping, but instead of random products, you sell items like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases with your own designs. You don't need to print or store them. The supplier does it for you after each order. This is a fun side hustle, especially if you're creative and love designing. So there you have it, 8 powerful money-earning tricks for students. From freelancing and dropshipping to blogging and YouTubing, there's something for everyone. But if you really want to stand out and build something long-term, I highly recommend looking into hosting reselling with Verpex. It's not just a side hustle, it can actually grow into a real business. Which one of these methods are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more online earning tips.